Target Language panel. In addition to the comment, labeling, and text constraint features discussed earlier, the Target Language panel has several other features worth taking a look at. Let's begin with the Language Status Marker. Set between the source and target languages, this marker enables you to mark the translations with 3 different statuses. Gray indicates that no status has been assigned. Green indicates statuses that are okay. These segments have been accepted as valid and contain no errors. And finally, red indicates a problem status. There are several reasons to mark a translation with the red status. While translating, you may mark the segments that you wish to take a second look at. Proofreaders or project managers may mark segments with issues to review. Depending on the settings, the system may also automatically mark segments red when QA issues arise. Segments with the pre-translation icon or lightning bolt are also color-coded. A green lightning bolt indicates a 100% match. The blue lightning bolt denotes a 110% or context-based match. If you're working on a document with a previous translation, you may see a different icon. Here, we have the same color coding for 100 and 110% matches, but instead of a lightning bolt, they're triangles. Both the lightning bolt and the triangle symbols are extremely important and enable you to save time by using previous translations that have already been accepted by the client. This allows you to trust the auto-translation and focus on the unmarked segments. They also give you solid examples of sentence styles and structures that the client will accept. These are just a few of the many helpful symbols found in the Source Language panel. Additionally, we have the Machine Translation or MT symbol. This symbol indicates that this segment was translated by a machine translation tool and has not yet been touched by a human. This may be a useful way to speed up your translation process. Clicking into a segment activates even more features and symbols. The first symbol to the right is the bookmark pin. The bookmark feature is very flexible. It essentially lets you create your own system to provide context or to flag things. Its default color is gray or unmarked, and you can assign a blue or red pin. You could, for example, give every segment with only a number a blue pin so that the proofreader can filter them out and not waste time on extra pages. Or you may assign a red pin to segments where you weren't sure about your grammatical formulations, letting the proofreader know to double-check them. The comment feature works the same way as we previously discussed in the Source Language panel. The circle symbol will notify you of any errors. A segment without errors will display this gray symbol only when you click into it. Once you click out of the segment, the gray circle disappears, letting you know that there are no issues. An approved segment has a green circle with a check mark, which is permanently visible. These segments usually contain matches. In the case of an error, a red circle with an X will appear. If you have the Smart Assistant enabled, you should also see a warning symbol to provide you with more context. The Smart Assistant, which we will look at in more detail in a later video, explains the issue that was flagged. The final symbol shows us whether a segment is locked or not. A gray symbol indicates that a segment can be worked on. An orange symbol, which is visible even when the segment is not active, indicates that you cannot edit this text. Although you may have the rights to unlock a segment, caution is advised. Project managers often have good reasons to lock certain segments. The system administrator decides whether you have the rights to change the lock status. The last symbol in the target language panel is the modified by user icon. Just like in the source panel, it lets us know that a human user has made changes to the segment.